So I'm going to do a review of Wendy's Vanilla Frosty. I'm currently here at Wendy's, as you can see.
I got this thing, Josh.
Yeah.
This 360 thing. And it's supposed to follow you and all that. I can't get it to work. It's for videos.
I don't know. I wouldn't know, like...
It's for videos. You put your phone in it and you talk and take videos and it's supposed to follow you wherever you go. And you put your phone in it, you know. You do videos. Like if you're working on a motorcycle, if you're doing like you're doing right now.
Hold on, I'm gonna get...
I can't see any burgers. I know. You hook it up to Bluetooth. You put your phone. You put your phone in. You push Bluetooth. It finds it, and you can go over the other way. You talk, you know, and it follows you all over the place. Looks pretty good. I don't do videos.
Oh.
So, if you come back to the house before you go home, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Just remind me.
Okay. I'd give this... This actually tastes like a cupcake. This is what it tastes like. A little bit of a cupcake. So I'd give this a 7 out of 10. So peace.